Szia, I'm Ákos from magyarize.com, and today we'll learn some numbers in Hungarian with a lesson from my Hungarian master course from beginners. The course is only open for a limited time. If you want to check it out, follow the link below. Otherwise, let's get started. Let's continue with the numbers from 1 to 100. We'll start easy from 1 to 10. So numbers in Hungarian, we call them számok. Számok is the plural, szám is the singular. Szám is one number, számok is numbers. So the numbers from 1 to 10, let's just repeat after me to practice. Egy. Egy. Kettő. Kettő. Három. Három. Négy. Négy. Öt. Öt. Hat. Hat. Hét. Hét. Nyolc. Nyolc. Kilenc. Kilenc. És 10. 10. Okay, hope those were not too hard. Then we'll learn the numbers from 20 to 100. So we start with 20, which is 20. 20. 30. 30. Please repeat after me. 40. 40. 50. 50. 60. 60. 70. 70. 80. 80. 90. 90. És 100. 100. 100. So you can see 10 is 10, 20 is 20, and then from then on each number is similar to their singular version. So 3 becomes 30, 3, 30. 4, we just make that A shorter and it turns into 40, 40. We put the ven after 5 as it is, 50. 60 stays the same, 60. 7 turns into 70, 70. 80, 8 stays the same, and we put the 1 at the end, 80. 9 stays the same, we add ven, 90, and 100 is just one word. So let's talk about the numbers in the teens, from 11 to 20. So the numbers themselves will stay the same, and unlike in English, when you put the teen after the number, we put that in front, which is 10. 10. So 10 was 10. The teens start with 10. So 11 will be 11. 11. 12. 12. 12. 13. 13. Okay, you try the next one. 14. And the next one. 15. 16. You can do this. 17. 18. 19. És 20. 20. In the 20s, again, 20 is number 20. It will change a little bit. So from 20, it will turn into 20. 20. So 21 will be 21. 22, 22. 23, 23. So how do we say 24 in Hungarian? 24. 25. 25. Next one. 26. 27. 28. 29. És 30 is 30. So 30 upwards, it's even easier because you just put the number 30 in front of the singular number you want. So for example, 45 will be 45. 45. 56 will be 56. 56. 67, 67. 68. 78. 78. 78. 89. 89. 89. And let's say 91. 91. 91. And even above 100, which will not go into detail much, but you just put the numbers after each other. So for example, 120 will be 120. 120. So let's practice a little bit more. First of all, we missed out 0 so far, so let's start with that. 0 in Hungarian is nulla. Nulla. And the fun tip here, the number 7 has more than one meaning. Hét can mean the number 7, or it can also mean 1 week, which is made up of 7 days. Hét. So if you say egy hét, that's 1 week. 1 week. Okay, to practice the numbers, I'm going to tell you my phone number. A telefonszámom. A telefonszámom. It means my phone number. So take your notebook or your printed out sheets and write down the following number. Okay, I'll go nice and slow. Feel free to use the PDF to look at the numbers. So see if you can recognize these numbers. 0, 6, 7, 0, 8, 9, 0, 1, 5, 6, 3. Okay, once more. 0, 6, 7, 0, 8, 9, 0, 1, 5, 6, 3. Okay, now let's see if you got it right. This was the number 06 70 89 01 563. If I say it a bit faster, and with phone, here it is in writing, so this is what I want you to write down as well to practice. And just a little tip with phone numbers, so people can say this in various different ways. So I said it the easy way, each number by itself, but sometimes people stack the numbers. So in Hungarian, we often say numbers like this down below. So I could say 06 70, that's the code, first code of the phone number. Usually mobile number starts like this in Hungary. 06 70 8 90, because that's a nice and round number. 90 15 15 63 63. So instead of saying each number one by one, you can pair them up into the teens and higher numbers. And to practice more, I would like to ask you, mi a telefonszámod? What is your phone number? Mi a telefonszámod? So write it down with numbers, then write it down by words to practice the numbers, and there will be also a downloadable PDF to practice more numbers. That will be your homework. So please write down the numbers from 1 to 100. Repetition is great practice. And I collected some random numbers in the downloadable PDF exercise, so you can fill those in as well. Write them down by hand. And then if you have any Hungarian friends, relatives, then I would encourage you to ask them, mi a telefonszámod, and see if you can understand the numbers. It will be great practice. Szép munka, well done again. Next up, we're moving on to Module 3, where we learn a lot of new things, starting from greetings, a bit of small talk, introducing yourself, countries, nationalities, and languages. So you will be able to talk about your nationality and what languages you speak, your profession, and learn a bit of grammar, introduction to basic grammar of Hungarian. Hope you're excited. I'll see you soon. I hope you enjoyed that lesson, and if you want to learn with a self-paced online course that you can do anytime, anywhere, on any device, follow the link below.